How to watch multiple games on ESPN Plus. ESPN Plus multicast allows you to watch up to 4 games continuously on Apple TV and Xbox devices. From the ESPN app home screen, select a pre-built multicast tile to start watching multiple live events. You can edit the multicast to remove or swap events for a customized experience. Supported devices include Apple TV 3rd generation and up, and Xbox One or Series X. On Apple TV, press and hold the clickpad to launch the multicast menu. One-click multicast offers quick access to curated events, including your favorite teams. Navigate to the live video player and select multicast icon to launch full-screen multicast. Choose from 2 up, PIP, 3 up, 4 up, or grid layouts. Focus on one event for full audio and video by selecting it with your remote. You can easily swap or reorder events in multicast mode. Additional authentication may be required for certain events through ESPN Plus or your video provider account. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.